Small houses in villages, silent streets, feeling homesick doesn't exist because we're rolling through a long night, endless maze, tonight to find familiar faces. It's where we live our dream. It tells us about something. I found you. I found me. We've seen so many things that lie beneath, through the dark and night and shine. The dark and night and shine. The more we meet each other, we realize how meaningful we are.